Here we have the Niner Jet9, Niner's flagship bike, and this is full carbon frame, carbon rear triangle. Niner has a few different build kits. They have a 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star build. This is the 4-star build, which is a Sram XO Drivetrain, carbon cranks, and Fox factory front and rear suspension, and 120 millimeters rear travel, 130 millimeters front travel. Goodness all around.
Okay guys, this is first ride on the Niner Jet. It's the Jet RDO 9 is what it's called. So we'll get going up this trail, and man, this is a nice little climb to get started out with anyways. I'm gonna keep talking with you guys and see how it climbs. Let's just take a second to admire this trail. My gosh, it's beautiful and well built. It literally just had 3 inches of rain like 2 days ago. And I mean, with the trail being this dry, it's amazing. Yeah, this root section does. That was so smooth. Super smooth. Ooh, these tight bars. These wide bars. Gotta get caught in the trees. You know, I always have to laugh at how big of a difference I feel between every full suspension that I test ride versus my hardtail. Ooh, back in the tree there. 130 front, 120 rear, and it feels like I'm on 140 plus easily. So smooth over that stuff. Look at that. How are you ever supposed to get through that? Oh, that's a tight one. Oh, man. A lot of climbing so far. Oh, it's so rooty. So far, this thing is amazing. And he was right about the climbing efficiency.
And so they had a motto called pedal damn it.
Okay.
Because with the old platform, people would pedal up to technical sections, and they would just coast through them.
Gotcha.
You know, with this, you hit technical, flat, doesn't matter, keep pedaling. Because you can pedal through technical sections and still remain active on the system.
Yeah, I mean, I don't feel any hardly disconnection at all from the trail. Tell you what, those roots would suck on my hardtail. Too bad, I'm kind of going too slow for him. I can feel that suspension work for sure. Man, these grips hurt my hands though. Whatever kind of grips they are. Whew, bushwhacking. For 120 mils of suspension, it feels like a lot more. Kind of a tight little course. And tight, I mean space. Ooh, very nimble, very agile. Little drop. Hooks up around the corner, I'll tell you that. Man, on that little bit of chatteriness, I felt some slowdown. You know, I felt some resistance as it went over. Man, what a fun trail. Some big ass roots in here. Lots of roots. Oh yeah. Thanks. Jump. Nice. Little bunny hop over the roots. Man, what a fun trail. Tight trees, big roots. And these 29ers feel like they roll over just about anything. Whew. Okay, so not the fastest downhill to test it, but honestly feels pretty smooth, pretty nimble and agile for a 29er. I felt like I could still jump around those roots and maneuver pretty easily. Didn't feel like I was powering over it too much. So overall, my first impression after just like a 3-mile ride of good technical climbing and good, you know, some decent downhill, the bike performs well.
Most suspension platforms, you'll have, if it's what they call a fully floating rear link like this, usually these arms are parallel to each other, and that causes a vertical axle path just to go straight up and down.
Interesting.
So the distance from any chain ring you're in, as it goes up, gets longer.
Okay.
And that's what causes pedal-induced bobbing.
Oh, sure.
So what he did was he basically canted those two linkages so that now it travels through an arcing path.
Interesting.
And so no matter where you're at in your suspension travel, that distance from chainring to chainring stays the same.
Gotcha.
Old design platforms, when you're under heavy pedaling load, you're effectively locking out the platform.
Huh.
With Niner, so they had a motto called pedal damn it.
Okay.
Because with old platforms, people would pedal up to technical sections, and they would just coast through them.
Gotcha.
You know, with this, you hit technical flat, doesn't matter, keep pedaling. Because you can pedal through technical sections and still remain active on this.
I ride a hardtail, so I know all about I know all about missing that efficiency.
You got it. That's the
This
key
thing
with
is
Niner.
sweet.